Good morning, traders. I'm Clayton Allen, host of the Day Trading Plumber and founder here at Allen FX. So, guys, if you're new to this channel, every Sunday I go through all the pairs, the 28 majors and crosses that we trade here at Allen FX, and I look for support and resistance on higher time frames, the daily, the 4-hour, possibly even the weekly. And we use those support and resistance zones throughout the week to kind of gauge, if and when we should enter trades on smaller time frames. So, doesn't mean we just take the trade as soon as it gets into our bullish or bearish area. It just means that that's definitely an area we want to look for price to react to. So let's not waste any more time. And if you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so you get all my ideas, hit the alerts, whatever. Find me on TradingView. I post videos throughout the week. And, if you want to copy my trades and see exactly when and what pair, what position size, do I have a stop loss, do I have a take profit, jump on over to allenfx.com. You'll get access to my Telegram channels. Also, launching here real soon, it's already on the website, but I haven't really launched it, are my 1% Club training courses. Now, these are designed to take someone who's just heard of Forex yesterday, and they'll be a 1.5% profitable, consistently profitable trader as little as 6 weeks. And I'm going to guarantee it. So if you don't make 1.5% a week in 6 weeks, I'll give you your money back. Now, that's going to come with some lots of hard work, lots of training, and there will be the day where that system gets in trouble and you are going to have to make some tough decisions, but it will make you money. All right, guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right onto the charts here. And bam, let's start top down. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. All right. All right, let's go up to our daily chart. See what we have cooking from last week. So, yeah, we got divergence posting on the daily. Let me shrink this down. Okay. Now we can stretch that out a little bit. So you can see our alert up here. Last Sunday we were looking for that push up to our alert. We didn't quite get it yet, but you can see we have some divergence posting. I still like taking this trade if we get a really good push up into our bearish zone. Right there. Maybe we are being a little aggressive. Let's say if we retest that former high, that's when I want to get in. All right, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. We have our make or break zone here. I was looking for another big push. Almost got there. You can see we've almost touched it there. But I'm gonna leave that stuff right where it's at. I want to see a good push. I'm gonna give myself an alert to see if we get pushed up. I want to look at it. All right, so it looks like we've reached this little smaller support or resistance, and price action's kind of tell me it's going to want to go down from here. So, come on, arrow. Not a bad trade if you can find a good entry back down to this bullish zone here. Australian dollar NZD. We were gonna see what we were gonna wait and see what happened here at this make or break zone, and now, guys, we've definitely broke it. Okay, we broke it. So now we want to look for some sort of retest of that. And then we'll be sellers down into this bullish zone. Had that kind of big. But that's kind of what I'm thinking we're going to get. Another push down, a retest, and then that'd be a good place to enter a sell trade. Australian dollar, US dollar. So this is an actual active trade. We entered pretty good on this daily candle here. got a little bit of a pullback, but I still think we're at least coming down to this make or break zone, especially because the rest of the other pairs look fairly bearish with the Australian lead. All right, so we have a really good pin bar daily in our bullish candle. So I think we're at a point now where we can start looking bullish on this pair. CAD JPY. We got good since Wednesday, good bearish, almost back down to our bullish zone. I think for me, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till we do get that push in there. We're gonna go ahead and put an alert right here at 78,257 because I don't want to miss this one. There we go. All right, Swiss JPY. This was a trade of the week in my free Telegram channel. I will be doing a quick video for those guys here soon. But perfect, good trade. We got into it. We had to go through a little bit of drawdown, guys. Wasn't perfect by any means, I will tell you. We entered here. We had a little bit of drawdown we had to go through, but it eventually came right where we wanted to, and we closed it out for a good, let's just calculate it real quick, 72 pip profit last week. So not a bad call out for the free Telegram channel. Euro AUD. So we're starting to kind of see a decent resistance that we're waiting for it to break. We're also waiting to see if we can get a good push down to our bullish zone. Euro Swiss franc. Yeah. Just not a lot going on. I'm going to wait to see if we come down to here, 05,911, before I take any trades on this. Why? I'm not going to get all crazy and jump ahead of myself. Euro GBP, here's another trade. You can see we have a decent trend line drawn. We were waiting for a break of that make or break zone. We got it, right? And guys, on this retest, see this daily candle almost comes up. Retest, that's when we enter that sell trade all the way down to this. We're looking to get all the way down to this this green line for a profit target. However, we just got really good production right now, but we're not quite there yet. So it might be a good time to take this to a risk-free trade and see if we can let that puppy run. All right, we got a lot of noise on this one. Let's get rid of these. So last week, you can see we were looking for more bullish production. Didn't really get it. So now, guys, I'm looking to see the 618 is down here off of this move. We bounced off the halfway. That's why I have it again right here. I'm looking for some sort of double bottom action. So if we were going to look at this swing high to swing low, we've already come a little too far for a double bottom. So I'm going to leave my alert where it's at and reassess when price gets there. But I'm not necessarily in the ballpark for a double bottom here going long. We may have a really good trend reversal in the works, which would mean we kind of want to get in right here, off that 50% line right there. But we'll just have to wait. I'm going to wait and see what we get at that level. All right, so one could make the argument that we're in the most recent turnaround zone, and I'm going to go ahead and make that argument. Right here, really good turnaround. We're losing momentum right here. It might not be a bad call to look at this Euro NZD right out of the gate. I know the Euro had a bad week last week. Maybe we're going to get a good comeback. And, this lines up pretty good with that former resistance right here. Price likes that level. Okay, Euro USD. I'm starting to see on the daily here really strong double top, resistance level that it's struggling to make. So I'm going to hold this prediction where that's the level we want to be in, and I want to make sure we're ready to get in this. If we use our Fibonacci to tell tool, so we're still below the 382 here, so that's why we're looking for that double top. EuroCAD got a great channel to be trading off of, so that's going to be our bearish move if we get up into that zone. British pound AUD, man, we got a lot of noise on this one. Got really good bullish bounce off of our Wednesday prediction here, or last week's prediction. Let's get rid of that. I like this as a take profit. Again, guys, we may be seeing a really big turnaround. Knoxville divergence posted on our bullish zone. So, really good place to take a buy trade. If you're in that buy trade, it's going to get really turbulent here. Just hold on to that puppy, and we'll see if we can't get it to come all the way back up. You can see this British pound run we were on pre-Brexit. And then now we're seeing, Brexit fall. So this could be a very good turnaround point. I don't think it's going to be that easy, though. I don't think it's going to be that clean. So I think we're going to get another chance to be buying from down here is what I'm saying. Okay, British pound CAD. Let's get rid of all these things. We're in our bear zone now. We do have quite a bit of a shadow on our bearish candle. So starting to see a good momentum loss in this channel. So it's not a bad time to be looking for a sell trade on this puppy. Okay, British pound Swiss francs, kind of in no man's land. We could probably make that argument, and looks like a decent enough bullish bounce. Might get a play up into there. British pound JPY. We are in an active trade there, or active trade idea. It's kind of struggled. I'm going to be honest with you. Kind of struggled already in this trade the last 2 days. British pound USD, same thing. I'm looking for that strength in the British pound to kind of fade this week. I probably jumped the gun a little at the end of last week. But let's just see what the week holds. Okay, British pound NZD, same thing. Made an active trade idea here that just hasn't panned out yet. We had a really good winner there. But I think, we're going to see this thing dribble out all the way into that make or break zone, which is all we need to get this one profitable. But we'll just have to see. NZD CAD, sorry. We are in our bearish zone. Looks like we've kind of gone beyond it. And the reason why our bearish zone is there is those two spots. So now that we've just blown through it, there's the retest daily candle. I think we might just see price continue up. I'd like to see a pretty good retest of it, though. And then this puppy becomes bullish. Actually, I don't know why I did that. I'll just take this one. Now we gotta look for that next level, right? Kind of like how I got lucky there and just picked that next peak. So that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Sorry, that took a while. NZD CHF, same thing. I'm going to be looking for a sell from right up here. NZDJPY, same thing. Almost looks exactly the same. NZDUSD. Okay, let's see. Seller. Looks like a much smaller time frame. Fibonacci I was doing. So we got divergence, 2 daily pin bar candles, and we're in our bear zone. So, I mean, everything is just talking sell. I'm sell on this. USD CAD. I don't know, guys. If you guys remember, we actually got knocked out on this daily candle. It knocked us out before this big push on this pair. And then I really haven't seen enough either way to get long or short on this pair. Just keeps hugging. And, you could make a play off that make or break zone either way. But I'm just going to let this pair tell me what it's going to do. I'm just trying to be patient. So here we have 2 long trades on this pair that have worked out, right? This was a really good entry. Still in it. You just got to be patient. And, we might get that move at least to there. All right, USD JPY. So we're retesting our bearish zone here, or bullish zone. So I like this. If we could have got in here, that's great. But even where we're sitting at, I'd maybe watch smaller time frames, see if you could get price a little bit cheaper at a little bit better price down into the zone and take a long trade. All right, guys. Well, that's the Sunday setups for this week. Like I said earlier, if you like getting this analysis done, go ahead and hit subscribe here on YouTube. Go ahead and hit like. It really helps get this in front of people that might be looking for it. Hey, guys, shoot on over to allenfx.com. We got a lot of new good things cooking over there, as well as access to copy my trades on your own accounts. All right, have a great rest of the weekend, and let's go make some money together this week. Over and